Workshops. 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 Noun. Definition: a room or building in which goods are manufactured or repaired. Example: giant disused workshops and factory buildings would be flattened to make way for new homes and business properties. Noun. Definition: a meeting at which a group of people engage in intensive discussion and activity on a particular subject or project. Example: a writer's workshop was held on the 25th to the 27th of July. Verb. Definition: present a performance of a dramatic work, using intensive group discussion and improvisation in order to explore aspects of the production prior to formal staging. Example: the play was workshopped briefly at the Shaw Festival.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.